Hello everybody, I am Dhaval Singh. I am joining in 2020 as a freshie in the BS Chemistry department.
Hi everyone, myself Divyojit Bagchi and I am in third year BS Chemistry.
I'm Ranal Sahu. I'm from MEMS branch.
My name is Vibha Sharma. I'm pursuing Masters in Biomedical Engineering in BSB department.
I think health reasons in a health pandemic, which is one of the biggest global pandemic in century for now. Even in a offline semester, we used to have pink slip system in our IITB. So I think we should consider health reasons.
In lockdown, it is actually pretty difficult to find out if they are actually unhealthy or not, but that is a major reason. I mean, that should have been entertained in the offline too. So I think that should work in online also.
I do think health reasons should be entertained. This is because there was a scenario where it wasn't entertained once in our semester, and I'd be against this because there was this quiz we had. It was a main quiz. It had 30% weightage, and I myself was not well, but because it was not considered, so I gave the exam regardless. And I didn't perform very well in it, but my point is, had health been considered or had I given the paper later, I would have performed better. So I think it needs to be considered.
Okay, so I think normally हमें पिंक स्लिप मिलता था जब ऑफलाइन क्लासेस होती थी अगर बीमार होते थे, तो यहाँ पे I think definitely कुछ मिलना चाहिए because it's not easy studying from your home. The thing is you're always at your home, so there is some mental pressure there. So I definitely think we should have mental concern.
वैसे तो अगर सीखने की बात है तो अच्छा है, पर जब सब कोर्सेज में कंटिन्यूस एवेल्यूएशन होता है तो ज़्यादा बर्डन ज़्यादा हो जाता है.
This continuous grading is so bad. I mean, it is just, it is piling up for everything we have to do. There are 5 courses, for electrical there are 6 courses, and it is not actually working for us because every subject, every quiz and every assignment is graded, then we have to study for it too much. In online it is pretty stressful.
It's really hectic for us to be at the online semester, attending the classes, and we are in the virtual mode, and even having exams. Everything is online, doesn't make any sense. And right now we are having a lot of quizzes, assignments dues, and we are new and we don't know anything. It's really hectic. I hope they reduce the effort, like they reduce the quizzes, number of quizzes. I hope.
Yeah, my thoughts on S grade were, I think that was need of the hour at that stage, and that was put in well. I think a lot of people were there who couldn't really do well till their midterms, and if for say example the professor had the grading only on the basis of what marks were obtained by the students till midterm, I think it would be unfair to think about those students who would perform well in the end term examinations as well. I myself have been through a similar courses in the past, and I think it did help people in the long run.
Unlike in college where everyone has the same environment and same access to resources, people's homes may not be conducive enough to study peacefully. So I feel that following a letter grade isn't the best option. The S grade seems like a good idea, as you can give the exam later or convert it into a PPNP, so you have more options that way.
I'm not a big fan of the PPNP or the S grade system. I think the S grade system worked well when you didn't have a lot of evaluations to grade the students on, but this time around there may be a chance of a lot of evaluations, and I think it's fair to give the students a letter grade.
What we have to understand here is professors also said that I have seen many emails saying that it is for our benefit, they're taking time so that we understand better. We get it, even we want it, but then there are other courses too, and a student has only 24 hours a day, right? And a student has to sleep, he or she has to eat, you have to revise concepts as well. Okay, if you want to take extra hours, you can take that for doubt clearance, but if you give extra material or exceed the class hours, I'm not saying that is okay, ethically wrong, but even it's not practically possible for us to manage all that. This is one of the reasons the online semester has been a chaos.
I strongly feel that the allotted class hours for any particular course should not be exceeded by the professors, because as it is, the online semester is quite hectic for all of us in terms of time commitment.
I will prefer the offline lecture mode, not online, because in offline we can interact with teachers more frequently and we can get our doubts clear more efficiently than the online mode.
I think the best part of live lecture is like you can ask doubt, and the worst part is also like it's live and कुछ समझ नहीं आया तो sometimes you need more reference to it. You need to go back and see things again. So there's a like plus point with recording session also. So I think दोनों का mix in a way is good.
I was the department alumni secretary for the mechanical department, and we had an amazing team of SARC representatives, because of which this PR was more of a stress buster than a responsibility actually. The way I managed my accounts with PR was that I kept aside a specific amount of time, about 4 to 5 hours each week for the PR, instead of just investing my time whenever the need popped up, and that's how I didn't let my PR interfere with my accounts.
I am the academic coordinator of Student Support Services UJC. Fortunately, the nature of my POR is such that most of the work happens before the start of the SEM, so that way it didn't really feel as a burden. However, I did have work during the SEM, but it wasn't as demanding that it really interfered with the hectic nature of the online SEM.
I am the convener of Silver Screen, and usually to organize any events, the club convener come together, hang around the film room and decide what to do. We chill out, have fun. It's an engaging event. But now it's like, here is the Google link and just join the link and we'll discuss and it's over. So there is like no fun in organizing events as such. Yeah, so I miss that one-to-one connection of just laying down in the film and chilling out.